What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video of Nice, and remember, you are nice. Today I'm finishing a project for a car that I've been doing for a while, but I've been putting on the side because I was like, it's not worth filming, it's not worth the project. I'm going to buy some new wheels maybe anyway, I don't know, but I decided to do it yesterday. I started and I didn't start filming it.